looked like it was opened or something. It's half empty. The hell they got that up there for? It was opened. Sure was. This is a different one. Look at that up there. It was opened. It's not the right one. Okay, now look at the difference. Somebody opened that. Look at that. Daggone shame in the baby department. Somebody opened it and had some or whatever they did to it. I'll just put it over here so nobody don't get it. Sick. People are sick.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're with my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No I'm not giving up, no I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages.
What I picked up is going across the street. Less than a mile going across the street. It was a simple shop and it only paid right under $13. This is probably the lowest I've ever taken, but like I said, it's across the street, and I actually need to go across the street anyway because that's where the car wash is, and I have some things in my car I need to throw out. So it's going to a hotel. There's several hotels across the street. The one they're at, I can't remember if it has an elevator or not. I don't know. I hope it does. But she did say text her when I get there so she can meet me. So we'll see what that's all about. All right, so I'm here, and this is the hotel without the elevator. So I got to go up the stairs. She did say text her so she can help me. But I want a picture at the door with the room number, because people, that she's not going to say she didn't get her food, and she didn't leave a tip. She did not tip. This was a straight under $13 from Walmart. So I'm not playing those games. I'm taking this up the stairs. How you know?
Thank you.
Uh-huh.
But the nasty time somebody got me for my groceries. Nasty.
Oh, okay. Let me just take a picture right here.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I delivered that, and it was a hotel. I had to go upstairs. Wasn't bad because I had my IKEA bag. So I had the IKEA bag. That thing is sturdy. It's like made out of tarp. Excuse me. And I had 2 items in my hand. And you heard what she said, because in the notes it said, text me, I'll come down and help you. No, I need a picture of the door that says what room you're in with the groceries. I'm sorry, like people be scamming. I can't. You know, I'm not getting deactivated on nonsense. But as I was going up the stairs, and as soon as I got to the top step, she was already had the door open on her way down. How was she gonna come down and help me? Because wasn't nobody in the room but her and the baby, and the baby was in a playpen. So she's gonna leave the baby in there to come help me? That makes no sense at all, okay? And the first thing she says was, oh, I was coming down to help because before they got me. What does that mean? I mean, I don't really think Spark drivers are keeping people's food. Like, come on, they got me. Well, don't you want to be upstairs so that you can get your picture text to you that shows the groceries are right at your door? Why would you come down to help me? I'm not giving you the groceries at the curb. No, they need to go upstairs at the door and a picture at the door. So that's what I did, and that it is what it is. So it's 50 degrees, feels like 35. It is windy, 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 windy.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks. Isn't
All right, this wind is whipping. Look at the carts moving. Yesterday I had the AC on. Tonight I'm gonna have to put the heat on. Whew. Whoa. And all that pollen is just blowing and blowing with the wind, making it worse. Whee. It's like winter out here. Damn. That's my last Spark order for real. It's too cold. Okay, let's put this cart back and get on the road. We only got like all right, that cart was in the middle, couldn't nobody drive by, so why not do it and move it? Whee! Let's go. Look at that wind. Let's go. It's winter again. Oh, thank you, hon. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. Hold that one. This one is good for you. Hold it by the handle because them bags are cheap. Okay, let me just get a quick. All right, so I delivered that. As you saw, it's cold out here. She sent the little boy out to help. And I said, that's okay. I got the cart because it's windy, it's cold, and I had the cart. You know what I mean? It's really cold out here. So I didn't want him running across the street to help. But you see how you teach children morals and responsibilities at young age. And she had him give me a tip. But you know, the little boy gave me a tip. And this is how you teach children at a young age. You know, it doesn't even matter how much it is. It's the principle. So, let's see. What is it? 3 $4. Isn't that cute? $4. So $4 tip. It was $7.92, I think. It came up to $30.42. This one and the last one. The last one I told you was right under $13. I think it was like $12.90 something. And this one was $17 something. But it came to $30, like $30.42 in less than 40 minutes. Because both of these, this one was 2.5 miles, 2.4 miles, and the other one was right at 1 mile. It was right under a mile. So, and this one was only 2.4 miles because I made the wrong turn. But no problem, in and out. Both were easy orders. And I ended up getting a double tip on top of this one. So the $30 brought it to $35 in less than 40 minutes. It's very cold out. The orders are booming, but I'm going to do a dash because I'm just going to do a dash. I'm going to see if I could do a quick dash in and out. I told you guys goodbye before, but this is goodbye for real. I'm not going back in Walmart. Not tonight. It's too cold. It's too cold. No, it's too cold to be in the parking lot looking for a parking spot and all of that. So have a wonderful evening. Love you guys. Smooches. Mwah. Peace. And I just had to say, he was so proud to tip me. He was so proud, and he even came back outside and said, thank you. Bye. Bye. You know, very nice little family, and really nice. You teach them young, at a young age. Anyway, talk to you. I just had to tell you that he was so proud. Talk to you later.